Now let's delve into the concept of the Saturn-Moon matrix. This esoteric idea suggests that the combined energies of Saturn and the Moon create a control mechanism over human consciousness. The Moon, with its reflective and intuitive qualities, amplifies Saturn's energy, affecting our subconscious mind and emotional states. The cycles of the Moon influence our internal rhythms, reflecting the constant ebb and flow of our emotional and psychological experiences. Understanding this matrix helps us see how these celestial bodies may shape our reality and our perceptions of the world. With this foundation in place, we can now bring Lucifer into the conversation. Often depicted as a fallen angel in Christian theology, Lucifer represents enlightenment, rebellion, and the pursuit of knowledge. The name Lucifer means light bringer, or morning star, highlighting his role as a bringer of light and knowledge. In esoteric traditions, Lucifer is not just a symbol of rebellion, but also of the quest for truth and enlightenment. His story encourages us to seek knowledge and illumination, while being mindful of balancing ambition and humility. Adding another layer to Lucifer, we have Venus, associated as the morning star. His story encourages us to seek knowledge and illumination, while being mindful of balancing ambition and humility. Adding another layer to Lucifer, we have Venus. Venus symbolizes love, attraction, and beauty, enriching the symbolism of Lucifer with aspects of desire and the pursuit of what lies beyond ordinary perception, reminding us that the quest for enlightenment also involves embracing the beauty and love in the world.